Yes. Yeah, so we are discussing on the sonar cube scanner part. So the sonar cube has to be installed in the server, which I showed you already. Now the Jenkins has to know that they have to run the sonar cube scan, right? So we have to not install, but we have to connect Jenkins and sonar cube. Okay. Then only the Jenkins will know, like I have to run the sonar cube scan, right? So let's go ahead and see how to get the connection done. First, we will go to system. So just follow the things, whatever I'm doing. And if you're not able to follow, please rewind it and see. So you will go to system first. Okay. And if you see, there will be sonar cube. So if you see right now, there is no sonar cube, right? So it's because we have not installed plugins, okay, of sonar cube. So you have to go to plugin and then you have to go to available plugins and just you have to write sonar. So not so in here sonar. So you have to install two things. Okay. Sonar Authenticates install. Okay. So it should be installed. Same way you can install it. Okay. Not much a big task. This is. And then you can go again to the manage Jenkins system. Okay. So if you go now and if you type sonar, so if you see on sonar cube, so you have to search like this and you'll get the sonar cube servers. You have to click on environment variables, add sonar cube. So this name you can give from your own. I can give the name like let's give sonar scanner and the default URL or the sonar server. Better give sonar server. This we are installing the server. Default is so where our sonar cube is running. Yes, right. The server where you have installed sonar cube, right? So I'm just going here. Let's see if it is still running. Yes, it's running. 9,000. And then you have to go and where you have put. Sorry, that's why sometimes just get lost. Okay. So here you have to put authentication. We haven't added any authentication right now, right? So let's go ahead and run some authentication first. So I think I have already, so you know, right, where you have to go and run this authentication. So you have to get the token. So you have to go to my account, security, and just write here Jenkins token, generate, copy this. So this is the token by suppose I have to authenticate you. So you will give me some password, right? So same way Jenkins has to authenticate with SonarCube. So SonarCube has to give some password. Then only Jenkins can know, okay, you have given me this password. I will authenticate you. I can access your facilities, whatever you just like a train and a passenger, like that you will get the ticket, then only you can avail the train facilities, right? So it's the same. Okay. So you have to go in the copy it. So better copy it in some safe region first. Okay. And then where I have told you have to go again. So you have to open a duplicate. Very let's oh these things guys. Let's have the sonar cube and here also we don't need so many. Okay. So and then well then you can go ahead with again go click on manage Jenkins. Now you have to click on credentials and then system and then credentials and then add credentials and then you have to click on the secret text. Okay, so click on secret text because we just have to save your token. Secret. So I have copied already. I'm pasting it and I'm giving it as name like sonar token. Right? Sonar token. Description token for Sonar Cube authentication. So now you got now once you refresh this, let's copy this. Let's see if you get now. Still now you're not getting. You can add Jenkins. No, you have already added. Let me refresh. It will you will get it. Sorry guys. Okay. So name you can give like Sonar token. And this you can give this. And now you will get the credential. So you can add it. It's good, right? And now you can save it. Now you can go again in manage Jenkins. Now you have to install. So this is the plugin you have installed, right? But where you, I mean, this is the server you have installed. Okay, your SonarCube server is running, and that you have told Jenkins, right? Hey Jenkins, this is the SonarCube server which is running. Okay, but I told you about plugins, right? That's the ports. You have told laptop, hey, this is my headphone, which you are going to which I'm going to connect. Okay. Then laptop will tell you, okay, I'll give you the port. You just connect your headphone. So same way you have told like this is the server. Now you have to give the port to them. You have to give the plugin. Okay. So let's have the plugin also. So if you see the add SonarCube scanner installation. So now I will give the name Sonar Scanner. This you can install directly. Okay. From Maven plugin. So you can install this SonarCube scanner. And now you can click on I hope it's saved. Apply or save whatever you can save it also. Now I am going to my build. I haven't built anything. Oh, I have built it. Now, okay, configure. So if you go here, so you can get the SonarCube stage, right? SonarCube in Jenkins, if you write, you'll get the steps. You don't have to remember. Just you click on anything, and here you can get the stage also. Yeah. So, so if you see this game, okay. So you have to see some stage. So what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and where yeah, I'll just go ahead and put two brackets, and I'm in two brackets from here. Okay, so this is the stage, and so with Sonar Cube. Now what you have to do, you have to first tell, okay, this is the Sonar Cube tool which you are using. This is the plugin which you are using. So you have to click on. You can just define. Yeah, I mean anything you can define. Like you have to click on, you have to tell like define or better put in the environment variable. Okay, environment. Okay. Sonar or sonar scanner equal to tool. And what is your sonar scanner name? Whatever you have told here. That was it. Again, you can go to manage Jenkins. I forgot the names actually. Tools, excellent. Okay, madam. So if you just go ahead and see, so it's the sonar scanner, it's the tool name. Okay, so you can just go ahead and oh my god, let's remove this. You can just write tools. Okay, and Here you have to write your server name. So what was the server name you have given? Let's see what server name you have given. Just go to system and okay, so you have to click on environment variables. Let's why we have given like sonar token name. Let's give sonar server. um, Sonar server. Okay, and this is fine. All good. Save. Okay. Now let's go to my Jenkins and check once more if all good. So now you have to give this name in the hmm, hmm, where is it? My okay, and then go to dashboard, configure again. So you are getting it right. So where? Oh my God, I have to copy again or what? No, no, thank God it's there. Sonar server. Okay. So in the environment variable, you are putting the plugin name. But with SonarCube environment, here you have to give the server. That's why it's written here also with the global server configuration. Okay. Now we don't have Gradle, we have Maven. So we have to see like what is the path of this. Okay. First of all, what you can do, we can just echo it. Like what is the path? Let's set the path. You'll see. Like I know like it may feel fishy to you. This is the way. So remember in environment you are putting the plugin name. In SonarCube environment you are putting the server name which you are configuring in system one. Here you are configuring tools one. Okay. So just rewind my lecture. Rewind it some 4 to 5 minutes ago and see like how I have configured and do the same process. Okay. And why I'm echoing right now, I'll tell you. So let's build it now. Okay, some issues. Must be installed. Okay, I forgot the steps block here. Let's have the steps block. See, simple issues, and we are stuck up to. I'm just putting the indentation. This and here, this is done, and then here, right? Correct. Hope this should not create any issue. Okay. So it's success, and if you see the path, remove this report task.txt. Okay. So this is the path. And if I go ahead, now you will be able to see your path in the Jenkins server. Okay. Because what you are doing, you are connecting your Jenkins with SonarQube. Okay. And the processes which I have told you, right? So that's why I thought to put live this to you. That will much benefit you. Put my MFA guys. Otherwise- That's the problem. Every time this MFA has to be now in this compulsory. Oh man, when I typed it somewhere else. So what is this? Jenkins? Yeah, Jenkins. This is okay. And if you see here, if I go to this path, right? So if you see bin directory is there, so this path came, and now if so this is your sonar scanner. So this whole path, with this whole path, you have to give this scan. Okay. So this up to this path we have, right? We are echoing this up to, if I am putting this path is already there. Since how I got it, I have done the echo scanner. And how I got this? Because of the variable. Don't get confused, guys. Okay. So I took the path through this echo command. So through only because I have given this echo command, I got this path in the console. We just put it here and you can see it here. Okay. So now I have to, up to this path I am having. Now just I have to attach this bin and this sonar scanner. So it will be like this. Okay. PWD. So it will be like this. Bin and then sonar scanner. This whole path we have to give. But this path we already have, right? To this path. I'm echoing it. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just attach this thing. So these little things, if you see in many YouTube videos, they don't used to tell even. Okay. It's not like people knows already. So what we'll do, we'll just give this path, and this path we already have having. Right? Okay. Now what you have to give? You have to give the project name. Okay. It depends on you what project name you can give. And project name, you can get it from, there is definite parameters which you can give. Okay. Uh, yeah. Hyphen D sonar dot project name. Project key is much important. Okay. Project name also you can give. This name you can give it. Any name, whatever you want. Okay. So let me give, so you have to give this equal to what name you want to give. Uh, Spring Boot app. CICD, right? CICD you can give. And also the, I mean, I've written it here already. If you want, you can just take it from here. So I just want to show you here. So if you see here, we are putting the SonarCube token, but now we don't have to put it here. I'll tell you this also. And if you see project key, right? One is the project key after that. Let's have the project key also the same. Okay. Or just change it a bit. Deploy. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We are not entering again into the whatever directory we are having, right? We are entering into a directory, right? Mm. Otherwise it will not. One page missing. And then sorry, it's dollar. Okay, guys. Now it's fine. I don't need echo. Do we need now? No, we already know the part. So bin sonar scanner. Okay. Save, build now. Okay, so now if you see, we are not able to see this stage, right? All the stages. So what you have to do? have to go to manage Jenkins, and then you have to go to plugins. And if I go to 11, just type view, just pipeline stage view, and just install it. Okay, all good. Let's see. Build history, all good, I think. Let's see. Sonar cube analysis is done, right? So if Sonar cube is done, we don't have to check the build. Let's go to Sonar cube projects. See, my app came. Awesome. All the bugs, vulnerabilities you can see here. Issues if you see. So guys, this Sonar cube runs on specific gates, quality gates. Now, this Sonar cube is running on which gates right now? My quality gates is this default gate. And see these things. First thing they are considering is coverage. So coverage criteria is your Sonar cube should scan at least 80% of your code. Duplicate lines. Okay. Duplicate lines. Suppose you are in programming language, you are putting max one line many times. Okay. Echo. Suppose you are printing same thing many times. So you are duplicating the lines. If it is greater than 3%, it will fail the build. Maintainability rating. So there's some maintenance, that is some grading is there that you can do. So you can make your own quality gates. Okay, so let me show you. Create. Let's custom gate. Custom gate, and you can put condition here also, right? A new code. So overall code will not be scanned. So suppose if a new code is coming, then only it will scan. Okay, so I'll putting an overall code. Okay, and suppose I put a something called what? Something called vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities is also there. Okay, something I'm putting like mm, bugs is also there. Everything is there already in the default one. What extra should I give? Lines to cover you can give, right? Lines to cover you can give 10. Okay, add condition. So I'm putting on all projects. So whatever projects, all the projects I'm giving it. Okay, and then putting some more like uh, suppose if major issues is greater than 5, it will fail your build. So I'm just putting two more, and what I will do, I will just make this custom gate as default. Set as default. Okay. So it got set up as default. No issues. Any issues? No issues, right? So now I will again re-trigger the scan. Okay. Again, just re-trigger it. So if you see my scans right now, if you just go to the uh, where is my projects? So right now it is passed. If you see, there's nothing failed, right? Because my code is so beautifully written. It's not my written, but someone has written it. Only one vulnerability you can see. So you can see in the issues, and you can see like how many vulnerabilities. We could not find any. Okay. So now our source you can find here. The rules you can put. So these are the things which you can do. Okay. And if I run this pipeline again, right? Well, now. So let it run. And the next thing which you'll learn is going to that suppose your build is successful, right? But now you're building an image out of it. And your image has also to be scanned, should be also be scanned, right? So at that time you should have proper tools that your image should be scanned. Okay. So let's build the image first. Okay. Let's go ahead and build the image. So now again we have triggered the scan, and you can see the scan again. So if you see 41 seconds ago. Okay. And if you go to the quality profiles or the quality gates, and if you go to the projects and you just click on the projects also, you'll be able to see everything. So my everything is 0 right now. Okay. So you can just go ahead and see like what are the things author, search for authors right now, nothing. Okay. What to review, code analysis. You can get it from here. What you can do, you can put some vulnerable code and try to scan it. Okay. So it has scanned everything if you see lines of code scanned. Okay. Bugs, vulnerabilities, coverage, everything is there. Okay. 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 Next thing is suppose I can check like whether my quality gate status is green or red. If it is green, it should not go ahead. So that also you can do. Okay. So if you just go ahead and uh, sonar gate. So these are the things which you have to explore also. Okay. Sonar gate Jenkins if you just type, right? So if you see here, quality gate, this step you can add. So it's like it will wait for 1 hour. Okay. It will wait for 1 hour that your it will wait for 1 hour that your build should be successful. That once you run the scan, right, it will wait for 1 hour till the scan to be completed. Till that time, after that time, if it gets okay status, it will just pass. Otherwise, it will abort your pipeline. Okay. So I will not give hours. I will give minutes. Okay. Or better seconds or better minutes. Minutes is fine, right? Okay. So let's go to the configure and let's click on this. Click on configure again and let's put one and we have one, one, two, one, two. Okay. Okay, no, it's one. So this bracket is this bracket. Okay. And this bracket is this bracket. Okay. And this bracket is this bracket. Okay. So let's put it here and put like this. Okay. Wait for quality gate. So you can just add it here. Better I'll put minutes or better I'll put here how many seconds? 15. Here I'll put just seconds. Okay. Oh, what happened? Some issue. What issue? One more will be there. So one, two, three. It will be one, two, three. One more. No, it's fine. I'm sure it will be fine now. Yeah. So guys, sometimes you have to be a bit careful. Okay. One more stage is not coming up. Why? I've added that stage already. Maybe it will come. Yeah, it's coming. See? So this means like it will wait for 1 hour. Sorry, right now it will wait for 1 hour and we'll wait to see if your quality gate status is passed or failed. So before it will wait for 1 hour. Even if it is passed, still it will wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it will check like it is passed or failed. Okay. Just like in exam paper, right? Your answer copy will be checked only after 3 hours are passed, right? Before 3 hours, it will even if you have completed the exam, the examiner will not check, right? It's after 3 hours everything will happen. So here, so you can just decrease the time. Okay. So let's see. So if you see here, Retigate is aborted. Why? Why? So it's in progress state till 15 seconds. So that's why up to 15 seconds it has not got. So it's just told like it's it aborted. Why it aborted? Now you got the answers, right? I think this is a very good example. Till 15 seconds, it has just show the status still in progress. It means my scan has not even completed, right? So let's increase the timing. Let's increase up to 1 minute, guys, and see. So I it's very excitement I'm having right now. Okay, so let's increase to 1 minute or let's increase to 60 seconds. Okay, till then happens. What I will do, I will just make the image also. Okay, so till then configure. I'll just go here and just write one more step, building the image and scanning the image. So scanning the image, how will you scan the image? We'll scan the image through Trivi. There is one tool called Trivi. Okay, Trivi is a scanning tool. Okay, uh, I will just tell you with the practical scenario. That's more better rather than theoretical. So Trivi installation in Jenkins, no, Trivi will install in the AWS Linux. So everything I'm finding here. Okay, so you'll just go to for Trivi installation. And if you see, you can just copy this also. This is for RHL CentOS. This also you can put Arc Linux or install a script. I think this is the best way. I believe so. Right? Through the Docker also you can install. It all depends on you. Helm also you can install. So many things. Installation is there, guys. Okay. So we'll take this and install it in the. This is Jenkins server, right? So let's install Trivi. Oh, put sudo. That's more better. Cannot create permission denied even in sudo. Why? Cannot. So chmod. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Sudo ch. Trivi is not required for this also. It's fine. Yeah. Here is our local pin. Hmm. Trivi command not found. You cannot even go to that, right? So Trivi installation is not much feasible here. Let's try some other ways, guys. Hmm. Let's see. Very good blog. This is. Let's see how they've installed. They have not installed. What? The build is paper.yaml file. Let's install this, guys. See, dollar home. Preview command not found. Why? 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 Somewhere we have to put preview.json. I mean, you can put. So move preview to USR bin, right? Sudo move preview slash USR slash bin. Now preview should work. I believe so. Yeah, it's working. Let's test one time. So how it will scan? So suppose if I'm putting Docker pull, right? Hello world. Let's yeah. So Docker pull hello world and Docker is not installed, guys. Is this yum installed? Okay. So till then we'll go to our next part. What happened to our pipeline, guys? It's also aborted. For 1 minute it did not run. Oh, it's in status pending. So still the okay status it has not given. So I have to increase the timing from. So it's a very good safety thing, right? It's not allowing. Okay. So let's put up to 90 seconds. Build now. Yes. So Docker has been installed. Service Docker start sudo service Docker start. So right now, if you see, if I do Docker PS, it's saying permission net because EC2 user does not have permission to access Docker. So what we have to do, sudo usermod hyphen ag. So what we are giving? Docker group. We are giving the Docker group permission to the our current user. Current user is what? Either you write EC2 user or dollar user. If you just echo it, it will give you EC2 user. And also by new, we are refreshing the group also. Okay. This is so. Mm, why? Some issues coming. Okay. So up to this also fine. Now if you do Docker PS, so now EC2 got the access. So remember this command always. They may ask in the interview that make this is I mean this is a very famous command to give your user access. Okay, now if I do echo dollar user, right? Your user is it will show you the current user. Okay, so hope you got it. Now Trivi, I told you right. Now sorry, Docker pull hello world. and we can get the scan, how it is scanning. Okay, so in this way scanning. Okay, so if you see, it's just scanning like that. Okay, so let's see if it works. So we can just get this image. Okay, let's wait. So let's scan this, guys. Review image, and the image name is. So what is, guys, hello, what is this exit code 1? Okay, exit code 1 is like, suppose I am giving one more thing called severity. Okay, so I'm just giving high, so it has to be capital. Okay, the formatting has to be very clear, case sensitive also, critical. So if it contains high or critical vulnerability, if this image, then it should fail the build. Okay, it should not pass it, it should fail it. Okay, like, what is the meaning of failing and passing? Passing is like you can use it, you can use the image. Failing is like you cannot use the image. So that's what even here I'm saying. If Sonar Cube is failing your image, okay, then what? So yeah. So if it is failing your image, then it should not go ahead, right? That's why its pipeline is getting aborted. So even 90 seconds, my pipeline is getting aborted, guys. Okay, still in pending. Okay. So I'll remove this step, guys. Okay. Time has to set it 90 minutes. So I think I have to put some 5 minutes timing or so. You can change it 5 minutes timing. Okay. So all this showing 8.8 seconds. I will check like why it is showing. Maybe in the default steps it's showing. Okay. I have to change the scanner. Okay. So quality gate. Let me put the quality gate as the same. Whatever this one is the default. Okay. Now it should not create problems. Let's have the build. Because it is passed, then why it is throwing it? This is why it will get aborted. So put some 5 minutes or 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Then you can check. Actually, it should take some minutes before. So it's getting aborted, right? It's not going to the next step. Whatever my next step will be here, right? It should not tell to make the image, right? Now, once you make the image, your image, if it fails, vulnerability, it should not go to make the container, right? So that's what. Okay, okay, guys. So let's go ahead and see. And high critical, and what is my image name? This is the command. Okay. And oh my god, why again? Hello world. Let me So see, it is scanning your image. So same thing we'll do here also, guys. Okay. So what we'll do here, like, so it's running. I think for 90 minutes. Till then, we'll just put this stage 1 to 3, three brackets close. Up to here. Right. Three brackets up to here. So stage is this, and then building and scanning. Both I am doing in the same place, guys. Okay, because not much code. You can do it in a separate stage. So try in a separate state. Okay. So I can give Docker. So my Docker file is in this directory, in the Spring Boot directory. Okay. You can see it. Like, open your repo and see it, guys. Docker build -t Spring Boot app latest or anything like v1 and Docker file dot. And then again, I'm scanning your image. Scanner, Docker scanner. No such image. Hello world. Okay, I have done the spelling galat. Okay, spelling is wrong. So anyways, we'll put the same thing here, but not with the hello world, our own image, what we have put. So our image is this v1. Okay, this is I think this is getting failed every time. I'll check like what why it is getting, but you know the concept right now, right? Let me remove this for now. Mm, okay. So and then it is yeah. So let me save it and build now. Okay. What happened now? Line 42 assets start with this building and scanning. What what is now the problem? Configure. Mm, oh, see? Steps. Steps, guys. Steps. Very critical thing you're missing. Steps. Then why to go in the logs when such beautiful stages are there? So quality gate it will not run now because I think we have removed that. Building and scanning has failed. Permission denied while trying to connect to Docker daemon. Permission denied. But I have given already the permission, guys. Docker PS. Yeah, I've given the permission. I have given already. I think I have to refresh this. Then only it will go. Okay. Let me show it again. Configure. Okay, let's now run from sudo, guys. Okay, let's run from sudo. But I think once I will restart the server, right? It will take up. Okay. Restart this Jenkins, it will take up. So we'll see that also for now. So this is our last phase, all done. Now once it is success, we'll just close the things. Mm, we trust you have received the user lecture from the locals. Password is required. Okay, it's not telling to use sudo. But anyways, I think if I just log into the server, it will work. Okay, it's not like it's some. Once again, guys. Let's remove the sudo. Okay, so again the issue. So I think we have to reboot the server. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I think it will reboot and it will run. So try this and let me know if you have an issue. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.